Just wanted to talk to you guys here a little bit about irrigation services and irrigation repairs. All of our irrigation technicians are Hunter certified. They go through a strenuous training program to be able to take care of your guys' irrigation system properly. For our services, we offer a spring startup where we go through, adjust the controller, make sure all the heads are adjusted, making sure everything's watering properly for the springtime. And then come summertime, we'll come through, adjust the heads again because they do come out of adjustment. And we'll also adjust the controller to make sure that your lawn's getting watered properly for that summer heat. Then in the winter time, fall time, we come through, we'll blow the system out, winterize everything, make sure everything's winterized for the winter to come. Some irrigation repairs that you guys might encounter. We'll see heads damaged by snow plows, snow blowers, lawn mowers. Give us a call, our guys can definitely take care of that for you. Another common repair that we see during the summer times, during the heat of the season, is you might have a section of your yard that just browns out. Give us a call, we always got staff on hand, ready to answer your phone call, ready to take care of your irrigation system. We can definitely take care of that side of the yard that's not getting watered properly. We've been taking care of your neighbors, friends, relatives in the Des Moines metro area for over 35 years. So please give us a call and give us a chance to take care of your sprinkler system. My name's Ethan with A+ Lawn and Landscape. Please give us a call. We look forward to working with you.